Hello, this is my review for the Bella 7-egg cooker. It comes in this presentation. I like the color red, that's why I ordered it in red. It comes with this measuring cup. And it used to have here the numbers with the amount of ounces for the water, depending on how many eggs are you cooking. This is how you carefully pinch a hole on the egg. This is where you put the eggs. This also comes off. You put the water, and then on top you put the eggs. Okay, this is the switch to turn on and off, and the model number is the 1742D. This is it cooks the eggs very well. The more water you put, the hotter the egg will be. I like it a little bit soft, so I put up to here of water. It's a great steamer. You have to be careful here because the steam comes off very hot. Other than that, it's very simple to use, and I basically use it every day. Thank you for watching my review.